How to cash out Bitcoin on Cash App. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to cash out Bitcoin on your Cash App, first thing you have to do is open up your Cash App application and make sure that you are logged into your account. From here, you'll find the bank icon at the bottom left corner, so just go ahead and tap on it. Now on this page, you are given various tools that help you manage your account. So from here, all you have to do is tap on the Bitcoin option, and then from here, you can scroll down a bit until you find more about Bitcoin. Then right here, you have an option called deposit or withdraw Bitcoin. So all you have to do is click on withdraw Bitcoin, and then it will give you an option to scan a QR code or enter the wallet address manually. So if you have the wallet address copied to your clipboard, you can just enter it manually. And once you've done that, you should enter the amount of Bitcoin that you want to withdraw. And once you have done that, all you have to do is tap on the withdraw button and you should be able to withdraw your Bitcoin from Cash App. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll see you on the next one.